get lit and turn up. Yeah, lit. Turn up. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Nicole. Today I'm back at it again with another video. Today's video is gonna be my second video on a Valentine's Day makeup look, but except this is a more wearable look, I would say, with my hair in a sleek, sexy ponytail. We got the red and gold glitter realness, ombre, fire, okay. Honestly, my thoughts going into this makeup look wasn't gonna be with glitter, but you guys, come on, like, you gotta do the most. Even though I don't have a Valentine this year, I'm still gonna do the most when I go out with my friend Katie to that spicy B-Day with Queen and Clarence. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, it's all drugstore. Everything I used in this video is drugstore except for one product, and if you know me, you know what that is. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look full drugstore, then please keep on watching. Okay.
I'ma call up Brian, I'ma FaceTime Ryan, I'ma text Lorenzo, and I'ma leave you crying. Don't get it twisted, I can play this game too.
Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger to prime the lids. This is going to make the colors pop and stuff like that. Then I'm going to use my Coty Airspun powder. Love this powder, and I'm going to set the eyelids with that. Also, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to just use the shades that you see here. It's pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll shut up for this part.
30 hertz straight up.
My black eyeshadow broke, but there was still some left on the rim. So if you have a black eyeshadow, go in with that. So I forgot to show it here, but at first I'm going to cut the crease with concealer, but I forgot about my NYX glitter primer, you guys. The trick that I used in my last Valentine's Day tutorial, I used the NYX glitter primer here, and then I set the beginning of the cut crease with the concealer because I forgot. But then I go in with that red shadow, and you guys, don't you see how much this pops without the concealer? In the beginning I cut the crease with the concealer, but on this red part I just used the NYX glitter primer, and it works great. So it just saves you a step. I just forgot about it, so I did it later. Okay, then I'm going to apply the NYX glitter primer again to apply my glitters. Now, my glitters I got from the craft store, literally, you guys. So definitely look into that. I am going to be trying new glitters, new glitter looks. I'm trying to get up there with Princess Bella and B. Marie. Okay, so stay tuned. 2018, we lit. We shining, yeah. Let me stop. But yeah, I'm going to clean that glitter, or try to clean the glitter off my face. And I'm going to go in with my Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I'm going to apply this all over the face and maneuver it in the skin. So next I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation ever. I haven't used it in a while, but my LA Girl Pro HD foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. I'm going to dot that all over the face. And yeah, then I'm going to blend it out with a damp, clean beauty sponge from Morphe. Just because I want to give you guys a second option, I'm going to go in here with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade 11 Amber. You guys, I just wanted a teensy bit more coverage. I could have went in with LA Girl, but I just wanted to show you guys there's other foundations out there in the drugstore. So I went in with Milani, and I'm going to blend that out as well. Now that I'm doing this voiceover, I just realized NARS Radiant Creamy isn't a drugstore concealer, and I'm sorry. I don't know why I used it, but right here I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm just using a different concealer wand to apply it because I just hate the LA Girl applicators. Like, LA Girl, y'all need to change the packaging, or y'all need to do a duffel applicator, because yeah. So here I'm drawing some hearts for Valentine's Day, even though I don't have a Valentine or a lover, but it's okay. We're still gonna draw them on the face to make it aesthetically and, you know, pleasing or whatever. So just enjoy that. But before I go, I'm going to tell you that I am going to go in with the next shade here, which is Creamy Beige, and I'm using the same applicator to apply. I just want to give myself a little bit more brightness under the eye. So you're going to see here, as I'm trying to blend, my concealer kind of messes up the line, like, you know, the straight line of my eyeshadow. So I take a little concealer brush and I just draw a line. I should have did that with the doe foot applicator, honestly, but instead I just forgot and did it this way. So just keep that in mind. Make yourself a straight line and then push down so the product doesn't build up there, and then continue to blend out. For cream contour today, I'm going to use my Holy Grail NYX Mineral Stick Foundation in the shade Rich. And again, I'm trying to make hearts and they look hurt. These long ass hearts, boy. Oh, man. But anyways, I'm going to contour everywhere, and then I'm going to blend that out with my Real Technique sculpting brush. Already, I'm gonna let y'all know the clip of me baking never happened. Like, I thought I clicked the record button and it didn't, so it's gonna skip over. But I did bake with my Coty Airspun powder again, and here I'm just like realizing that I was never recording, so yeah. But now I'm going to go in and powder contour with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Mocha. And then for mascara, today I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I love this mascara. It's the best. The wand is amazing. And now I have my lashes on. And the lashes that I am wearing today are from KCKL Lashes, Kennedy Simone Wifey Looks. Yes, girl. Shout out to you for the lashes. You are the lash plug when I want to be bougie. But yeah, I'm going to sweep away that excess powder. And then take off that excess powder off my lips as well, because my lips just need to be wiped down. And then I'm going to continue doing that. And then my next non-drugstore product that I am using is going to be my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. This product is a holy grail. It has to be used no matter what, okay? When I lost this, I literally almost cried, because this changes that white cast into your skin color again. Ooh, I almost lost some breath trying to hold my breath to get them smile lines. But yes, MAC Mineralize Skinfinish, and I am in the shade Dark. For blush today, I'm going to be using this new blush that I've been loving, which is a NYX Ombre blush in the shade Beat the Heat. Oh man, it is very intimidating because of how orange it is, but a little bit of goes an extremely long way. So now I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe setting spray, and then I'm going to fan it out to let it lock into the skin, and then I'm going to mix it with my Milani Make It Last setting spray as well, and repeat that same process. Now for highlighter today, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Strobe Light highlighter in the shade 07, I believe. And I love this highlighter. Got it at my local beauty supply store. It is amazing. And it just be blinding. But to mix it and to give you guys more options, I am also going to go in with my Wet n Wild Illuminating Face Palette, and I'm going to use the shades that you see me pointing to, or the shade, and I'm going to top that on there to make it glow even more. Okay, we are glow getters. So now I'm going to do my little eyelash trick for my bottom lashes, and I'm going to do the dots, and then I'm going to apply mascara to them. Now, you guys, y'all know I'm a Kylie Cosmetics fan when it comes to the lippies, but I recently ran out of my Mary Jo K, and I love the Wet n Wild formula for their lipsticks. I have the orange one. I have another nude shade. So when I saw this one, I had to get it because I wanted to get another red lipstick because my Kylie ran out, but I didn't feel like paying Kylie prices. So I went to the drugstore and I got this, you guys, and it wears amazingly. It feels so light. It doesn't even feel as dry as Kylie. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So definitely pick some of these Wet n Wild lipsticks up. They're great. And yeah, you guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then wait for my outro, okay? Thank you so much for staying throughout this whole video. I hope you took something from it. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I'm doing the voiceovers for you guys so we can get through them quicker. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Don't forget to check out the pictures on Instagram as well as my Instagram makeup tutorials. Yo, those are getting a lot of views. My recent one just got, let me see how many. We just hit 112K on this makeup tutorial right here. Views. Thank you guys so much, and we are at 32.6K followers. We're growing, and I just gotta thank you guys, and I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other uploads on my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let's chit chat. Come on, add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay. Mwah.
But he never met Masika. Tuck the chrome 22